Hello everybody! In case you live under a rock and you aren't aware, AMD has released a new series of processor because it is that time of the year again. So if there's a new processor, meaning there's a new lobang for it, right? Which is why I am here to go through 5 things about the ROG Strix X670E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. Going from unboxing, checking its all-around performance, checking to see if it's DIY friendly, all about its leading connectivity, and of course, its software features. So let's go! As AMD recently announced the launch of the latest Ryzen 7000 series processors that has up to 16 Zen 4 cores and 32 threads with boost clocks of up to 5.7 GHz, everyone was ecstatic, and so is ROG, which is why ROG has released 6 new motherboards in their all-new ROG X series of motherboards, and I have the ROG Strix X670E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard here. So let's start off with the unboxing. Okay, so inside the box you will receive this package, which we'll open later, and the motherboard, because if you order a motherboard and the box doesn't come with a motherboard, then I think you, my friend, are getting scammed. So that one you need to figure out yourself, okay? The motherboard is quite heavy. Okay, so this is the motherboard. Ta-da! It's huge and very heavy. Okay, so in the package just now, okay, we're gonna open it up because it has a few things inside that we need for the motherboard. Why is it so hard to open this packaging? Hello, sir? Okay, got it. And I didn't break it. So inside, you will see the ASUS Wi-Fi moving antennas. This is the massive bundle PCIe 5.0 M.2 heatsink. Over here, we have the manual guide. That is very important, so don't throw it away, okay? Because this thing, if you lose it, then you won't know how to build your own PC, especially if you're a first timer. Keep this thing. You have the ROG Strix welcome card, because ROG being ROG, they love you. ROG keychain for the collectors. ROG stickers, also for the collectors. Okay, inside over here, we have the ROG graphics card holder, a pack of cable ties, rubber package for M.2 backplate, 2 packs of rubber packages, M.2 Q latch for M.2 backplate, and a pack of M.2 Q latch, thermal pad for M.2, 2 SATA 6GB per second cables. That's everything in the box. The ROG Strix X670E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard features an AMD LGA 1718 socket, otherwise known as the AM5 socket, exclusively for your Ryzen 7000 series baby. The LGA 1718 socket is a whole new era for the Ryzen processors, as they usually come out with a PGA designed socket. During the launch, AMD also announced that they will be using the AM5 socket until the year 2025 or even later, so your motherboard upgrade now will not be a waste. The motherboard comes in an all-black with Aura Sync compatible RGB over here. This board uses an 18+2 power stage that combines 2 MOSFETs, allowing the motherboard to deliver better performance and efficiency that the latest Ryzen 7000 series of chips can take full advantage of. It also comes with 4 DIMM DDR5 slots and 4 M.2 slots. If you think it's not enough, you can take full advantage of the expansion slot that comes with 2 PCIe 5.0 slot and 1 PCIe 4.0 slot. For you PC builders out there who love to DIY your own stuff, this motherboard is about to be your bestie because it comes with a PCIe slot Q release button, M.2 Q latch CLR CMOS, and BIOS flashback buttons to make your DIY journey so much easier. And in order to get the full potential of your latest barang, overclocking is the answer. This motherboard uses an AI overclocking technology which allows the system to be pushed to its limits. It also has a dynamic OC switcher that encourages your preferred settings based on the CPU's temperature, giving your CPU a tad bit of extra push. This thingy over here is the Supreme FX. ROG Supreme FX uses a blend of hardware and software, so the audio output is sure to be tip-top. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E and Intel 2.5GB per second Ethernet, so your internet connection is as smooth like butter, like a criminal under. To truly take advantage of the latest invention, you can use the intelligent control software that features AI cooling 2, two-way AI noise cancellation, and AI networking. All of these can be tweaked with the click of a button. Last but not least, it's time for connectivity. I must say, ROG is very generous in terms of ports this time around because the motherboard comes with 1 HDMI port, 1 DisplayPort, 10 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C ports, one USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C port, one Intel 2.5GB Ethernet port, a clear CMOS button, a BIOS flashback button, one optical SPDIF out port, and 5 gold-plated audio jacks. Phew! This motherboard is definitely an upgrade compared to its predecessor, from specs all the way to features. So do you think that the ROG Strix X670E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard is worth the bucks? This is Rose signing out.